International Truck of the Year winners from 2001 to 2022. Watch until the end and see which truck brand has won Truck of the Year the most times. 2001 MAN TGA. MAN set new standards in the heavy-duty truck segment with the TGA replacing the existing F2000 series. The MAN TGA introduced this range with a completely new cabin type with a modern interior and exterior and also completely new engines. The new engines were with 11.3 and 12.1 liters, 6-cylinder engines with up to 530 horsepower, and the legendary 18 liters V10 engine with 660 horsepower. The V10 engine was retired in 2007 and was never to return. 2002 DAF LF. The DAF LF is a range of light medium-duty trucks produced by the British manufacturer Leland Trucks. The LF45 and LF55 are powered by Cummins B-Series engines with a 4-cylinder engine with 185 horsepower and a 6-cylinder engine with 285 horsepower. The LF shares its cab design with the Renault Midland and the Volvo FL. It is also the base for medium-duty trucks for the American truck brands Kenworth and Peterbilt. 2003 Iveco Astralis. The Iveco Astralis is a heavy-duty truck produced by the Italian manufacturer Iveco since 2002. The Astralis replaced the Eurostar and Eurotech models. It covers the range above the Eurocargo between 19 and 44 tons. The engines were a Cursor 8, 10, and 13, able to deliver up to 560 horsepower, with a Eurotronic automatic 12-gear gearbox, also offered with a 16-gear option for the two most powerful models. 2004 Mercedes-Benz Actros. The second-generation Actros was released in 2003 with upgraded interior and exterior components such as the new bi-xenon headlamps and the updated Euro 3 emission compliant. A lighter rear axle and new special equipment as well. The cabin received a completely new interior and became more spacious inside. Exterior, however, was not changed so radically. The engines came in a 12-liter V6 engine or the bigger 16-liter V8 with 612 horsepower. A new special edition of the Actros, the Black Edition series, was introduced, which was limited to only 250 units. 2005 Scania R Series. The Scania R Series range was first launched on 31 March 2004, replacing the popular 4 Series. It had 65% of the same components as its predecessors, but with a new cab design, new interior, and other technical improvements. Scania's focus during development of the new truck range is to create an even better environment for the driver and to provide even better earning power for the owner. 2006 MAN TGL. MAN introduced the TGL and TGM in 2005. The new series of trucks in the lightweight and middleweight categories. The TGL had a new front design which ensured better aerodynamics, and the interior was very sophisticated. The driver's cabin was available in 4 variants: driver's cabin C, L, XL, and with a double cabin. The TGL had a performance of 240 to 340 horsepower and was available with a 4 to 6-cylinder common rail motor. 2007 DAF XF 105. The XF 105 for long distance and heavy haulage featured a restyled exterior, an entirely new interior design, a new chassis layout, and the new 12.9-liter PACCAR MX engine, available in both Euro 4 and Euro 5 specifications. The new DAF XF 105 sets new standards in terms of quality, efficiency, and transport performance, as well as in interior design, comfort, ergonomics, and drivability. 2008 MAN TGX and TGS. MAN sets a new milestone in international transport solutions with the 2 new heavy-duty truck series, the TGX and TGS, as successors to the TGA series. The new models were awarded Truck of the Year in 2008 and were nominated for the German Design Award. The V8 option with 680 horsepower was at the time the most powerful series truck in Europe. The D20 and D26 engines also featured common rail direct injection and, thanks to an AdBlue emission control system, complied with the Euro 5 emission standard, 1 year before it became mandatory in 2009. 2009 Mercedes-Benz Actros. The third-generation Mercedes-Benz Actros won because of the enhanced economy, environmental compatibility, safety, and comfort of the new truck. With the Mercedes PowerShift 2 automated transmissions installed as standard in the road vehicles, truck drivers will find their daily lives made even easier. Also, new engine ranges were introduced. The 11.9-liter V6 engines from 320 horsepower to 476 horsepower, and the bigger 15.9-liter V8 engines from 510 horsepower to 598 horsepower. All three generations of the Mercedes-Benz Actros have been market trendsetters, and each new generation has been selected Truck of the Year on making its debut. 2010 Scania R Series. In particular, the new Scania R Series features a more aerodynamic cab profile that not only reduces fuel consumption but also improves the flow of air through the engine compartment, thereby aiding engine cooling, a factor that will be especially important for the forthcoming next generation of lower-emission Euro 6 diesels. Scania's revised OptiCruise automated gear shifting system, launched on the new R Series, was also rated highly for its faster, smoother, and more intelligent shift strategy. April 2010, Scania also launched a new version of its V8 engine, allowing a maximum output of 730 horsepower and 3,500 Newton-meters. 2011 Mercedes-Benz Atego. The very first model of the Atego saw the light of day in 1997. Since then, the popular distribution truck has undergone countless improvements, and by the end of 2009, the first 50 series produced hybrid versions were launched on the street. The new Atego range, which for the first time includes a factory-built diesel-electric hybrid version. The advanced hybrid technology in the Atego BlueTech hybrid means that you can drive either on pure electricity or on a combination of electricity and fuel engine. It provides a more efficient use of engine power, which ultimately means a reduction in fuel consumption and CO2 emissions of up to 10 to 15% compared to a conventional fuel engine. 2012 Mercedes-Benz Actros. The new Actros has won the coveted title of International Truck of the Year 2012, becoming the first manufacturer in nearly 2 decades to win the award in consecutive years. The new Actros sets the benchmark for top-weight tractor units in Europe with its stylish aerodynamic cabs, excellent ride, handling, and driver comfort. The new Actros was redeveloped from scratch. This made it possible to further improve on the successful truck model. It sets a new standard in terms of spaciousness and ergonomics, quality of materials, and equipment in the truck industry. 2013 Iveco Astralis Highway. The Astralis Highway features highly innovative Euro 6 engine emissions technology based on a selective catalytic reduction-only aftertreatment system. The Astralis Highway's redesigned cab offers the driver a quiet and relaxing working environment, as jury members noted during their recent road test around Turin. The Astralis Highway comes, in addition, with a thoroughly redesigned cabin. The improved ergonomics and comfort are the product of close cooperation with dealers and customers. 2014 Volvo FH16. Volvo's philosophy has always been to create the most efficient and capable driveline possible, and it is this way of thinking that has allowed Volvo to push the D16G engine to an astonishing 750 horsepower without compromising durability, making it the most powerful engine in the world. Inside the FH16 cab, we find accoutrements more fitting of a luxury sedan than a working vehicle. Because no single truck fits all needs, the Volvo FH series has a flexible chassis layout that encompasses 3 different cabs and a multitude of axle configurations. 2015 Renault Trucks T. With its latest Range T, Renault Trucks has designed and developed a brand new, long-distance truck lineup that represents a huge step forward over its previous heavy-duty models. In particular, Range T's new trapezoidal-shaped cab with its 12-degree sloped A-pillars, excellent noise insulation, comfortable new seats, and main function controls close to the steering wheel. Also, the fuel efficiency and performance of the Range T's driveline, based on its Euro 6 DTI-11 and DTI-13 engines, has been improved. 2016 Iveco Eurocargo. The new Eurocargo cab design, which continues the family feeling of the Iveco Daily, features city-friendly contours with horizontal lines which underline its main focus on multi-drop distribution missions in urban environments. The International Truck of the Year journalists praised the advanced features of its driveline, including its SCR-only 4- or 6-cylinder engines that offer improved drivability and fuel savings, as well as lower CO2 emissions. Moreover, with its natural power CNG version, Eurocargo Iveco has delivered a viable response to future challenges of ever tighter restrictions on diesel engine trucks in major European cities. 2017 Scania S Series. The newly introduced Scanias are the result of a 10-year development program costing £1.8 billion. The new cabs, which were developed from scratch in association with sister firm Porsche Engineering, have a host of drag-reducing features. These include driver-operated adjustable air deflectors and redesigned mirrors. Scania has said the cabs, which it claims are the most aerodynamic on the market, provide a 2% fuel saving. The full engine lineup will see power outputs from 410 horsepower to 730 horsepower, with the redeveloped powertrains getting new fuel injectors, revised combustion chambers, and a reconfigured cooling system. 2018 DAF New XF and CF. The DAF New CF and XF feature completely new powertrains with highly efficient transmissions and rear axles. All from PACCAR, including the engine's MX-11 and MX-13 engine innovations. DAF also introduced new compact aftertreatment systems, sophisticated software, and aerodynamic optimizations. These innovations result in a fuel efficiency gain and CO2 reduction of an impressive 7%. Vocational configurations of the new trucks can achieve up to 300 kilograms in weight reductions, which further enhance the customer's operating efficiency. 2019 Ford FMAX. The new Ford FMAX was introduced back in 2018 and is the first Ford truck in Europe in 32 years. Now the Americans are back with a truck, even though it is produced in Turkey. The new FMAX can be chosen with two different cabs, the FMAX and the FMAX Lowliner, and can only be selected as a 4x2. The new FMAX is with a strong 500 horsepower Eco-Torque engine with a 12-speed Traxxon gearbox. Also, the FMAX has the newest driver assistance systems such as lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, emergency brake, and much more. 2020 Mercedes-Benz Actros with mirror cam. With the 9th award in 2020, Mercedes-Benz is now the most successful brand in the fight for the Truck of the Year accolade. Most of the innovations incorporated within the new Mercedes-Benz Actros range were developed with the precise aim of delivering palpable improvements for drivers, operators, and society as a whole. The Actros offers major advances in safety, efficiency, and comfort. Its multitude of new features includes the multimedia cockpit, mirror cam instead of external mirrors, and partially automated driving with active drive assist, as well as groundbreaking safety systems such as Active Brake Assist 5 and the improved Side Guard Assist. 2021 MAN TGX. The new generation was a completely newly developed truck generation for the first time in 20 years, which is consistently oriented towards the changing requirements of the transportation industry and sets new standards for this type of trucks. 12 million working hours were spent as part of the project, and around 22,000 new item numbers were integrated in the new truck. All of the cabs offer optimum safety thanks to a range of features, including the innovative MAN OptiView digital mirror replacement system, which provides the driver with the optimal overview of the traffic situation. 2022 DAF XF, XG, and XG+. DAF is the first truck manufacturer to introduce a completely new generation of trucks that has been developed with the new European regulations for truck masses and dimensions in mind. The result is a series of highly attractive and very aerodynamic trucks which features class-leading efficiency, safety, and driver comfort. The new XG range has an extra 330mm space at the rear of the cab and a standing height of either 1,980 or 2,220mm, making it the biggest on the market. Also, an all-new interior has been installed along with the option of mirror cameras. the result. We have now reviewed the winner of the International Truck of the Year since 1977, and the most winning truck brand is Mercedes-Benz, with as many as 9 awards, and MAN in second place with 8 awards. Let us know in the comments section below which truck is your all-time favorite. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for much more.